Welcome to this tutorial on how to show your status for everyone on WhatsApp web on your PC. In this video, we'll guide you through a simple process to ensure that your WhatsApp status is visible to all your contacts. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp web on your computer. Simply navigate to the WhatsApp web website and scan the QR code using your phone to link your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface of WhatsApp on your desktop. Now, let's focus on managing your status visibility. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Status to access your status settings. This is where you can view and manage all your recent status updates. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the status section. From the drop-down menu, select Status Privacy. This option allows you to control who can see your status updates. In the status privacy settings, you'll find a few options to choose from. To make your status visible to everyone, you would typically select Everyone. However, since WhatsApp web doesn't directly offer this option for status visibility, we'll choose My Contacts instead. This ensures that all your contacts can see your status updates. By selecting My Contacts, you're allowing everyone in your contact list to view your status. This is a great way to keep your friends and family updated about what's going on in your life. That's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set your WhatsApp status to be visible to all your contacts using WhatsApp web on your PC. Remember, managing your privacy settings is important, so choose your preferences wisely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.